Crazy news, Facebook just came out with its own version of Reels to compete against TikTok, and I've been testing it for the last couple weeks. I got 50,000 followers now on Facebook. I think it's better than TikTok. I'm going to show you exactly why and how. An article titled "Facebook Launches Reels Globally Betting on Fastest Growing Format" just came out on the 1st of March. And I have to agree, it's insane. I never thought Facebook, the place where I keep in touch with all my old high school and college friends, could be actually the authoritative platform. And yes, I do have a nice fancy blue check mark on Facebook, but irrelevant to that, I told my friend Dr. Brad Klontz, who's also a TikToker, to start literally just copying and pasting his TikToks on Facebook Reels, and his results are even insane. He has had a few Facebook Reels, now over a couple 100,000 views, and now he has almost 10,000 followers on Facebook just from Facebook Reels. TikTok right now is the most consumed social media platform. Instagram Reels is up there, and Facebook's attempt, or Meta now, to try to get some of that traction and traffic is crazy, because before, if you go on your Facebook profile, you've seen stories and now Reels, but the Reels were actually on Instagram. This is actually true dedicated Facebook native video content that you can upload. It's hard to say right now. I feel like my personal brand with TikTok essentially grew just because I was early. And so right now, Facebook Reels may not have all the latest tech things. It's not as good, to be honest, of TikTok, but you can be early, so early. Most people don't even know this exists. The fact that you're watching this video means you better hit the like button, because you heard it from me first about Facebook Reels to basically post your content on there. In terms of the opportunity, it's yet to say how big it can be, but all I know is that every day I've been checking my Facebook and I have 99 plus notifications. My DMs are filled to the max. I've never had this many messages. And I basically had 2 weeks ago only about 2,000 to 3,000 followers on my Facebook that I've accumulated over like 8 years. And literally in 2 weeks to basically go from 0 to 50,000 plus is insane to me. It reminds me of the early days on TikTok. Now here's one serious reason. Here's one serious reason why I like Facebook Reels better than TikTok. It's because on Facebook, we can link to an external website or landing page or offer that you may have. And on TikTok, you can't do that. The only place to drive people to your business on TikTok is a link in your bio. Same with Instagram, but Facebook is different. Notice when people are commenting on my videos in this example here, they're asking for more information. And instead of saying, hey, go to my bio and click the link on it, I actually can put the link right in the comment section, and that person can click straight there to go to my offer. And anyone else who now views my Facebook Reels, they can actually click on that link as well. That is a game changer if you are business savvy, because you can monetize a lot easier and quicker with comments that include links. This is one reason alone why literally since I've been posting, my business and my e-commerce on the back end, I've made over 10 to 15 grand I think I can attribute just from Facebook Reels, which is awesome. In terms of how much you should be posting right now, I maybe am taking it to the limit, but because I already have my content created, I'm just copying and pasting on TikTok, uploading it to Facebook, and I'm averaging about 3 to 6 times a day on Facebook Reels. Again, maybe I'm a little extreme, but I feel like I'm so early, and now so are you, that we really should just be one of the first markets. Like, it's so early to just be one of the first people creating content and become a content authority on any platform. So right now, I feel like Facebook Reels is the latest, greatest, sexiest, best opportunity for short form content creators, and the time is now to get started. So here's what I want you to do. Post your very first Facebook Reels. If you already have a TikTok, just copy and paste it or create something from you, and then comment back on this video, because I want to be the person that you say, I learned from Adrian about Facebook Reels. Comment below, and then keep me posted on your progress. Like, I have a feeling, no joke, I'm gonna look back on this video and I'm gonna have 100 or even 1 million followers on Facebook, and it's gonna be because I was so early on Facebook Reels. Well, thanks so much for watching. This is Adrian. Peace and God bless.